Adolescence is not just a phase of growth, it's one of the most delicate rewiring periods in the human brain. Between the ages of 12 and 19, the prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and emotional regulation, is still under construction. When stress, social media exposure, and academic pressure collide with this sensitive development, the result can be a silent mental health crisis. Neuroscientist Dr. Giedd, whose research at the National Institute of Mental Health has mapped adolescent brain growth for decades, explains that the adolescent brain is like a high-powered car, strong engine, but weak brakes. Teens feel everything more intensely because their limbic system matures faster than the prefrontal control centers. This imbalance makes them more reactive to emotional stressors, rejection, failure, online comparison, and less capable of regulating the anxiety those triggers produce. Psychologist Dr. Twenge, author of iGen, found that rates of depression and anxiety among teens have risen sharply since the mass adoption of smartphones. Her longitudinal data reveal a direct relationship between increased screen time and decreased face-to-face interaction, leading to social isolation and sleep disruption. Studies published in JAMA Pediatrics confirm that poor sleep mediates the link between excessive screen use and emotional distress. But not all stress is harmful. According to Dr. Damour, a clinical psychologist and researcher on adolescent resilience, manageable stress can build strength. The problem begins when it becomes chronic and unpredictable. Chronic stress floods the teenage brain with cortisol, impairing memory and mood regulation, and even reshaping neural pathways involved in reward and motivation. Over time, this can make everyday challenges feel overwhelming. Recent data from the World Health Organization show that 1 in 7 adolescents worldwide now struggles with a diagnosable mental health disorder, most commonly anxiety or depression, yet fewer than half receive any form of support. Experts warn that the stigma surrounding youth mental health, combined with digital overstimulation and performance expectations, creates a perfect storm for burnout and emotional withdrawal. The solution, researchers argue, lies in balance and connection. Harvard's Center on the Developing Child emphasizes that supportive adult relationships are the single most protective factor for teen mental health. Encouraging open dialogue, reducing nighttime device use, and building consistent sleep and exercise routines all help recalibrate the brain's stress systems. Schools that implement mindfulness and social-emotional learning programs also report measurable reductions in anxiety and behavioral issues. Modern adolescence is both more connected and more isolated than ever. As Dr. Gabor Maté notes, we live in a society that prizes achievement over attachment, and our children's nervous systems are paying the price. Healing begins not with removing all pressure, but with teaching young minds how to process it. Awareness, compassion, and boundaries. These are the real tools of resilience. So if this message resonated with you, remember, understanding the teenage mind means investing in the future of all of us. For more science-based insights into psychology, the brain, and emotional well-being, subscribe to Mindset Maven channel. And let's keep learning together.